Pluto, once considered a major planet, was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006. This change didn't come easily or without controversy. For years, scientists and astronomers puzzled over the nature of Pluto. It was first discovered in 1930 by Clyde Tombaugh, a young American astronomer who identified it as the 9th planet of our solar system. For more than 7 decades it remained in that position, a distant and mysterious entity on the edge of our cosmic neighborhood. But as technology and our understanding of the universe evolved, so too did our perception of Pluto. New discoveries in the outer regions of our solar system, particularly the identification of numerous trans-Neptunian objects, triggered a reconsideration of Pluto's status. Astronomers started questioning whether it truly met the criteria to be classified as a major planet. One of the reasons for this reclassification was that Pluto is part of a binary system with its largest moon, Charon. The of a binary system is one where two celestial bodies are so large and so close together that they orbit each other around a shared center of gravity. For Pluto and Charon, this center, known as the barycenter, lies outside of Pluto itself. This unique feature led to more debates and eventually to Pluto's reclassification. This marked a significant shift in our understanding of the solar system, reshaping the way we see and categorize celestial bodies. The barycenter of this system lies outside of Pluto, meaning that both Pluto and Charon orbit a point outside of Pluto. This raises the question of whether Pluto and Charon ought to be viewed as a binary planet system. A question that has not only piqued the interest of astronomers, but has also sparked a significant debate in the astronomical community. The International Astronomical Union, colloquially known as the IAU, serves as the internationally recognized authority for assigning designations to celestial bodies. To date, they have not yet formalized a comprehensive definition or set of criteria for what might qualify as a double-planet system. This lack of a standardized definition, however, has not stopped the scientific community from hypothesizing and proposing what such a definition might entail. One such perspective comes from a group of scientists who argue, quite passionately, that Pluto and Charon should be classified within this category. Their argument rests on a multitude of factors. Firstly, they emphasize the relative size of Charon in comparison to Pluto. Charon is approximately half the size of Pluto, which is a significant ratio and not a common occurrence amongst most planet-moon relationships. This size factor implies that Charon isn't simply a moon of Pluto but a companion. Secondly, the focal point of their orbits, known as the barycenter, lies outside of Pluto. In most planet-moon systems, the barycenter is located within the larger body. However, in the case of Pluto and Charon, this isn't so. Both bodies, rather than one orbiting the other, seem to be orbiting this shared point in space. They point out that Charon is about half the size of Pluto, and that both bodies orbit a point outside of Pluto. It is also possible that there are other binary dwarf planets in our solar system. This is a concept that has intrigued astronomers and space enthusiasts for centuries. The idea of binary dwarf planets, two celestial bodies orbiting a common center of mass, is a fascinating notion. Within our ever-expanding knowledge of the universe, we've come across some compelling evidence to support this notion. The existence of binary dwarf planets opens up so many possibilities for the configuration of our solar system and beyond. A celestial dance between two bodies bound by gravitational forces playing out in the silent vastness of space. Some astronomers have turned their gaze to the outer reaches of our solar system. They believe there are candidates worth considering for this unique celestial categorization. These candidates are the mysterious, distant worlds of Eris and Orcus. Eris, named after the Greek goddess of discord and strife, is the most massive known dwarf planet in the solar system. It's an intriguing body, discovered only in the early 21st century. Its moon, Dysnomia, is named after Eris's daughter in Greek mythology, the spirit of lawlessness. Together they could form a binary pair. Similarly, Orcus is another distant world that has caught the attention of astronomers. It's named after the Roman god of the underworld, a fitting name for such a remote and enigmatic object. Its moon, Vanth, is named after a winged demon in Etruscan mythology. They too could be a binary dwarf planet pair, as could the moons Dysnomia and Vanth. The idea of these celestial bodies being part of binary dwarf planets further accentuates the beauty and complexity of our universe. The sky above us is a vast canvas filled with mysteries waiting to be discovered. The question of whether Pluto and Charon are a double planet is a complex one, and there is no easy answer. Delving into this matter, we need to take into account various factors, from their sizes to their gravitational interaction. Pluto, once considered the ninth planet in our solar system, was demoted to a dwarf planet in 2006 by the International Astronomical Union. Despite this, it still holds a certain fascination that is unrivaled. Charon, on the other hand, is Pluto's largest moon, and it's so massive that some scientists argue the barycenter, the point around which both bodies orbit, lies outside of Pluto, hence the consideration of them as a double planet. This concept is not only intriguing but also challenges our understanding of what constitutes a planet and its moon. There are also other aspects to consider. Their unique orbital dance, the shared atmosphere, and the intriguing icy landscapes raise more questions than answers. How do their atmospheres interact? What can these celestial bodies tell us about the formation of our solar system? Studies are being conducted, and with each passing day we are gaining more insight into this fascinating subject. Our understanding of the universe is continually evolving, and it's questions like these that push us to explore further, fueling our curiosity and expanding our knowledge. However, not everyone agrees on the double planet designation. Some argue that size should not be the defining factor, while others advocate for the reinterpretation of planetary definitions altogether. It's a debate that continues to rage on, with no definitive conclusion in sight. So, as we venture into the unknown, we are constantly reminded of the vastness of our universe and the endless discoveries that await us. It's a journey of exploration, a quest for knowledge, a thirst for the truth. However, it is a question that is worth considering as we continue to learn more about our solar system.